Bili ice cream.
May puno.
Sabak lagi dua nga manokis ko.
Dito meron pa?
Wala na. Nakasarado yun.
Doon sa table. Dapat di malaglagan. Iba mo konti. Tapos itapat mo konti guys. Okay. Yung hindi ka makita dyan. Ano ka dito?
Bakit hindi na?
Hindi ikaw. I would what? Ano? 11:52 mo. Oh, 8 minutes na lang. 26 na. Andre, mag-jump ka para tumangkad ka. Kasi ikaw niya, mag-jump ka pag 12 na. Ito, kasi Dennis mag-jump ka. Mag-jump ka, gano'n. Para tatangkad ka. Jump ka lang. Tawag yung paa mo, balik.
Basta wala sasabi here. Previous guest probably less early. Ours didn't have time to
Ha? Eh, no, sa phone.
Listen, I'll give them a 3-star. No, 2-star review.
Oh, tingnan natin niya kung may fireworks sa labas. Okay, 5 minutes.
And we're gonna agree on that. Good luck in Instagram. Thanks. What's mine? And I. And I. And the things
Antok ka na, Dre?
I'm gonna go explore.
Ikaw na
There's a bit more stuff.
Kaya kapantok. Ako din, naantok na ako. tagal lang ng 12.
And we all do weird shit. Remember when you and I got
You brought mine to school, Neil.
Listen, I can't believe good for all of us to pop his Twitter bubble and you and I will have the
Okay.
Ang buwan ginawa niya.
someone left us a 50 chance a long guy. Welcome to your idyllic retreat at Cortez. Built by Spanish immigrants in the 1880s, the Grove was America's most luxurious rest spa before becoming a private residence. We kindly ask not to disturb them and feel free to explore trails around the neighborhood.
Lapit lang mag,
Interesting, I mean, this man was discovered by Forrest Paul, who built the cabin on the original
5 na. 12 na ba? 12?
Five minutes to
5 minutes na lang.
sige, 5 minutes na.
Oo. Well, basta kayo. Tingnan natin kung may fireworks. Dito lang sa balkon. Tingnan natin.